my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about Shiba coin, friends. As Shiba coin as best investment, safe investment or not. In this video I will show you according on the basis of technical analysis of the price of Shiba coin, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now friends, if we talk about the Shiba coin price, so as you can see the current price is about 0.000001 US dollar as the price of Shiba coin, friends. So according to the price of Shiba coin, I think it's the best it is a safe investment for all of you. According to the price is very low. That is why my suggestion for you to invest in a Shiba coin, friends. Now but let's see the price change occur in the Shiba coin. After that we decide that it is a best or safe place for investment or not, friends. So keep watch this video, friends. And as you can see, the change occur in the Shiba coin. The last 1 hour change is positive, the last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change is negative, friends. For more details we have to look the last price prediction of the last 1 week. As you can see here is the, as you can see here, only and only fast occur in the Shiba coin, friends. So if you invest in a Shiba coin, so only and only fast occur, so that's clear that only your loss occur in Shiba coin when you invest in a Shiba coin, friends. As you can see here, we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Maybe they take an explosion, but if we look the last 1 day price prediction, so at the last 1 week only and only falls occur in the Shiba coin, friends. So that is why my suggestion for you that Shiba coin as not best for investment, but we can't say the future of cryptocurrencies. As you know, cryptocurrencies change your life in a minute, friends. If they take a high jump at this point, same like that, so they make you millionaire only in 10 minutes and only in 1 minute, friends. So we can't say about future. If we look the price of Shiba coin, so the price is very low. So my suggestion for you to please invest in it. The change, price change depends on your luck, friends. So please invest in Shiba coin if you want to invest in the cryptocurrencies market, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any type of question about Shiba coin, so please comment me. I will try to answer you. Stay connected with us and subscribe now ABS Tech channel.